how to receive direct deposits on Cash App. So this is very useful. Here's how it works. Load up Cash App, then you want to click on the little bank icon at the bottom. Once we select the bank icon, it's going to be the money tab. Then here you want to scroll down until you see the option add money direct deposit. So how this is going to work, in order to use direct deposits, you will need to get a Cash App card. The Cash App card is going to be completely free, so you can get it here, and you will see that you get access to direct deposits directly here, and you can receive your paychecks and other payments up to 2 days early if you use Cash App. So we're going to click on get your free Cash App card. You will need to choose the design for your card. So once you choose the design for your card, here you will go and order it. It's going to take a little bit of time to receive it, but once it has been activated, then we can go back here, and once we go back, you will see cash balance. So once you click on cash balance, you should see account and routing numbers. So this is going to be linked to your Cash App card here. If you set up the account and routing numbers, you might get them automatically. All you need to do is to give the account and routing numbers to your employer, and they will send your money directly through Cash App, and that way you can receive it earlier than you would normally. So I hope this video helps you out. Leave a like and sub. I'm gonna see you next time.